Do you have been in the situation like this before? I bet you would. Postponing all the tasks and procrastinating all the work you do, and at the end, when the deadline is tomorrow, you just go on panic mode. Your mind is blown away by so many tasks and things to manage. Some other way, you somehow manage to complete those tasks, and after that, you just say one precious sentence: the next time I would not do this. Or the next time I would fix this. Jokes on you, but from today, no more. Today, we will convert this professional procrastinator to a time management expert. So, let's get started with the symptoms. See these gorgeous piles of messiness. This is our first symptom. So, science have shown that the workplace you work in should be clean, or else if it's messy, this messiness brings your head some messiness. So to declutter your brain, you need to firstly declutter your workplace. Let's do this.
Round one. Fight!
It looks nice. Let's see the symptom 2.
Brother,
I know you got a burst of motivation one day and you try to complete all the tasks on the one day, but that can't be happen, because to have a sustainable life you need to manage all of your tasks diligently, and so goes with habits. Doing all the habits on one day will not make you very productive or very successful in life. You need to bring your attitude at low. So let's tidy up these today's tasks and break it down into a more achievable and real life tasks. So the symptom number 3 we see is not blocking your time. And if you not block your time for the future, you would not know what your future is or what you are planning to do. So you need to block your every days, what you would do, every week what you would do, and so goes with month. This will make you plan ahead for the day and achieve the work you wanted before the deadline. So congrats, now you are a time management expert. You just need these simple tips and you should achieve what you wanted before a day of deadline, and it will help you stop somewhat procrastination. But this phone is the only thing that stops you from procrastination, so delete those apps. That is the easy thing. Bye bye.